What do you make of some of these? I know we mentioned the Yelp upgrade as the city goes to buy Estee Lauder, Jim. Morgan Stanley says look for some top-line growth surprises. I mean, a stock like EL can sort of be read as something that I know you've long said is a dynamic on selfies and trying to look good as we're working remote, but could also be read as something that you got to look nice if you're going to go out.
Well, look, Fabrizio Freda is probably the foremost consumer products CEO in the world, not just America. And what he has done, he goes to China constantly. He's captured the Chinese market. Remember, he's also duty-free. He's amazing at duty-free. He follows, by the way, where people go by duty-free numbers and floods the zone. I mean, if they're all going to Brazil, he invents products for Brazil, and he's got a great team everywhere. Don't forget, he's also got this kind of frontsy-backsy thing where you have to work, if you're an older person, you have to work for your younger person, which I think is a brilliant idea because you're selling product that goes for younger people. They were obviously doing a lot of things involving your skin and mask and keeping your skin clean, but they own China, and you don't hear about them as being important in China. That's a big mistake. They are only 2 to 3% levered to department stores. A lot of people were short the stock betting that they're a mall play. They are so not a mall play. They are a play on the strength of China and maybe ultimately the strength of the United States. Remember, they do skincare and cosmetics. In skincare, caught on fire because of masks. If the president is obeyed and we still wear masks, I mean, masks just, they do mask knee. I have mask knee. I had a pimple here for the first time. I think I was 13 the last time I had a pimple here. Thank you and I switched masks. This one creates fewer pimples. I guess I should be using Estee Lauder stuff. Estee Lauder, by the way, is like Joe Malone. I mean, the prices that you pay, I'm an e.l.f. guy. e.l.f. is more reasonable. But if you buy their stuff, I mean, their stuff's expensive. It's pricey, and it's really good. So I continue to believe Estee Lauder is just a great stock. And people are not understanding that Fabrizio has a grip on the world, not just America. He understood that the mall was going to be a terrible place to sell many years ago and spent a lot more time trying to figure out Asia, trying to figure out Africa and figure out Europe. And he's a man of the world. Most people would he's an old Procter & Gamble guy. But more importantly, he is a person that understands the psyche. He has a great team. The stock is still, it sells at 48 times earnings, but it's going to have blockbuster earnings. Truly blockbuster.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.